a phone charger like this here. So this is a wireless charger. The model number is A7 from this company MAKAQI, something like that. It's lightweight, plasticky feeling, but I have a feeling this piece here is out of metal or not. I'm not sure. No, the way how it's made, I think it's more plastic thing. I'm not sure what that is, but so it's to charge. It's a 3-in-1 charger. 3-in-1 means you could charge your AirPods in here on that one. If your AirPods are the newer version and it is chargeable with wireless here, then you would put it there. You can do your watch, your Apple Watch, up here, but only if you bring your own charger. Remember those? This you have to bring, otherwise you can't charge your watch. And then your phone you can charge here if you want to charge your wireless phone, but you can see it slides off, so you need one of those new phones with a magnetic thing, and then you can charge it like that. See, it stays on here. There's a magnet in it. Okay. If you have a phone that doesn't have a magnet, you can use this little thing here. It comes with. It gets plugged in down here, right in the center of this disc. And then it has those little baffles you can plug in there, and then your phone won't slide off, but it's not 100% fixed, so if you move it, it will fall off. Okay, now this thing has rubber feet, 6 rubber feet, so it doesn't slide around much. If you want to fix it on the table or the furniture you put it on, it comes with 2 double-sided transparent stickers you can put underneath here and there, and then just glue it to the ground. Okay. The charger for the watch has to be installed, so you have to bring your own charger, plug it up in here, and then you guide the wire through this little channel in here into the base of this. Now, if you bring your own coin, or you can use one of those baffles. There's a little hand symbol here. If you go in there and crack that open, the lower case, you see that there's a hole for the USB. You can wire that through. Let me show this. So what they want you to do is to go with your cable through this little channel here. That's how it's supposed to be. And then in here, you just follow this little channel here. Look at that. So your original Apple wire has a certain length, and this is gonna fit 100% into this channel. Look at this. Bend it around all the way. Sorry if I'm not 100% in the picture, but this is what it is. It is going like this. There. Like this. Goes through here, and then what happens is there's a USB port down here. And that's where you plug it in. So it's a USB port on the bottom of this. Here, there. Okay, like this. Like that. And then, see, this is a little, has to be twisted around one more time. There. To fit in there, and then you close it up with the lid again. Right, and now your wire of your charger is hidden. Okay. This device comes with a 110 charger as a USB-C on here. You can plug this into the outlet, or you use this one. This is a USB-C to USB-A adapter. So now you can plug it into like a laptop, or some electrical outlets have USB ports already, so that would fit in there. In my case, I'm going to use the charger that came with it. I plug this into a 110 outlet, and then here on the back you have this USB connector. When you do that, you get a little light here on this side that indicates it's powered. Now I can't show you the AirPods, because I don't have wireless chargeable AirPods, right? What I have is a watch here. I can plug that on there. That's going to charge. You can see it charging here. And then here I have this phone. That's going to charge. And that's all I can show. I could show how a regular phone, this is an iPhone 10, how that would charge. It would charge if you make it not slide down all the way with this. And then you just go in here and you see it charging, right? So as long as the center of the phone is right in the middle here. And that's basically how this new charging stand, whatever you want to call this, how this is going to work. It does look nice, so if you have this sitting somewhere. See, this does not work right here. You have to look for the magnet to flip. So if you have one of the phone with those magnet chargers, then you don't need anything underneath. So then it's really sitting like this and you're all set. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and watch some of my other reviews if you want. There is links here at the end screen, and I see you in the next video.